You guys have to see this. Wow, I think my screen must be dirty or something. But look. Beautiful. Trying to get it to focus. Oh, it's so pretty. And I know I'm moving around a lot, but there's just so much to show you. Isn't that incredible? I don't really want to walk too much closer to the water because there's a lot of flying bugs and I'm not about that. But, it's so gorgeous. Okay, well, anyway, hope you guys had a really good weekend, and I hope that your Sunday night is lovely. Sorry about the noise. Beautiful. All right, bye.